Tonight's word on the street, Facebook. Tomorrow, the social networking giant has invited the media to its Silicon Valley headquarters to announce something. We just don't know what yet, but the anticipation has been enough already to push the stock over $30 per share for the first time in 6 months. Deborah Borchardt is waiting to hear what Facebook has in store. She's a markets analyst at TheStreet.com with us tonight from the NASDAQ. In your online article, Deborah, you call tomorrow's announcement a red carpet moment for Facebook. Why?
Well, as you know, the company came public recently, and it was a terrible IPO, botched all around, and it's been in a show-me state ever since, and it has not impressed the market, it has not impressed investors, and as a consequence, the stock has traded down. And so now they made this big deal about this mystery event tomorrow. All these reporters have flown out there, so they have got to deliver. They have got to come out with that show-me, dazzling dress on the red carpet, and if they don't, then the stock's going to sell off. People are going to be very upset.
There's lots of speculation about what the product or service may be. Music sharing, could be a online search enhancement, video ads, maybe even a smartphone. But what's important for shareholders to listen for?
Well, you're right. There's been a ton of speculation about what exactly this is going to be. But really, ultimately, it's all about the money. They have to start to show us that they can deliver on the money side. That's been the big criticism on Facebook is, yeah, that's great that you have all these active users on mobile, but how are you going to make money off of them? And so that's the thing. No more charts about active users. We want to see where the money is going to come from. So one of the things that we're hearing is it could be that they've enhanced this messenger program so that, say, if I'm here at the NASDAQ, I check in and I'm told, oh, there's restaurants around there and there's maybe a store, and the advertisers will pay big money for this. So that could tie into, yes, they need a mobile enhanced product and advertising money. So that could play into all of that.
Yeah. The word for Facebook tomorrow may be monetization of whatever that announcement's going to be. Let's talk about Facebook shares here. A 6-month high sounds impressive, just below that tonight, but it still remains 20% below that initial public offering price of $38.
That's right. And as I mentioned, the stock has traded down because the market has been very unimpressed with what Mark Zuckerberg has delivered so far. If they don't come through tomorrow, that stock is going to sell off because you saw a lot of buying up and, you know, buy ahead of the news, sell on the news. If they do deliver and it's a great product, it's a wow day, then you could see the stock start to go back to that IPO number of $38.
It's almost as important as the IPO day, isn't it?
It is very important because, again, this is like an Apple moment.
Yeah.
You know, to make this big announcement that come see what we're building. You know, they've really built a lot of an anticipation, and you know, if you're going to build that anticipation, you've got to deliver.
Do you own shares?
No, but I do have a Facebook page.
Deborah Borchardt, she is with TheStreet.com.